Hi guys, how's it going? It's I'm checking. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's look at how you can copy other professional traders and make money off of their knowledge without you having to break a sweat. And I've actually tried this and I made a return of 14% in a day, and I'm going to show you exactly how that went for me. So this is called copy trading. It is a way in which investors gain access to the financial markets without an experience. So in simple terms, you copy other people's trades. You can do this on this platform called X, and I have something special. If you are very much interested, I have dropped the link down below in the description box where you can register and sign up with X and complete your KYC and receive a voucher of $50 to get you started. And this is only for the first 50 people that actually sign up and complete their KYC. So don't use any other link, use the one that I have listed in the description box. So now let's get into the video, and please note that none of my videos constitute as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. So I am inside my BS account, and you can see here that I have went here, this thing that looks like a person. You're going to click there. Of course, after registering and signing up, you're going to click there, and then you're going to come to identity verification. This is what I mean by KYC. And then you have to come and put in your details and actually have your identity verified, and in that way your KYC is going to be completed. And this actually takes, I think, not even an hour for you to get verified. So it's actually a very quick thing. And then once you're done, for you to start copy trading, this is very much fascinating, guys. And we know that crypto is very much popular. We do invest in crypto through the SE Equities account, where we have the EC10, and we even have the privilege to buy crypto alone. So I, for one, do have investment in crypto. But on this app, you can invest in crypto and also trade crypto. And you can do that through copy trading. You don't need to break a site, you don't need to go out there trying to understand how signals work, technical analysis work. Somebody's actually doing the work for you, and you just come in here, put in your money, and then just chill, right? But like I've said, that there is a link that you can use to sign up and complete your KYC and make sure that you get $50, and that can get you started with copy trading. So you're gonna come here and go to copy trading. And this is what you are going to see. There are all these other different traders, right? These are the people that have registered with X as professional traders to trade on the X and also be part of the people that you can copy for copy trading, right? So this is what we see. And if you scroll down, you actually get to see that there are a whole lot of traders, and you have to pick good traders. Listen, everything is a risk. Investing is a risk, trading is a risk. You can lose money, and with trading you can actually lose money very fast. And it's because with trading you're actually getting to get returns within a day, in 7 days. You know, it's way too different to investing, because investing we're looking at the long term, but with trading you're actually saying, listen, this is how much I'm looking to get in 30 days. But then if we are going to be realistic, as we should be realistic, you cannot always win with trading. The very same way you cannot win with investing, even with trading, you actually get to bear that risk of losing your money. But then the good thing with copy trading is that you come here and you copy these people's strategies, and you can actually get that assurance that you are actually picking a good trader, and the chances of you losing your money are at a minimal, right? And that is the whole point, to not go into this thing with hopes that you're going to lose a whole lot of money, but with the hopes that you can get something. Because the principle actually should be, you need to eat something, you need to catch something, and this is what it's all about. So we see all of these traders here, and we see all of these tabs where we have comprehensive rankings, account level, account assets, copiers, 30 days, return on investment, cumulative profit or loss. You can come and filter the ones that you have to see. They're going to put them from top to bottom. And then let's come to cumulative profit and loss. We see that this person in the past 30 days, they have made this much in profit. And if you go to see all traders, you see they have put them in ascending order, and then you come here and then you pick the one that you want to go with. And like I've said, you have to make sure that you are picking the right trader for you. So let's look at this one. This one, they do have a 30 days ROI of more than 100%, right? Meaning that if you had put 100 rands, you're gonna get back 200 rands, right? But then looking at their win ratio, this is something that you need to come here and look at and factor in. What is their win ratio? It's 32%, meaning that there are chances of you losing your money and This is at 68%. So this trader, yes, they can make you that much money, but is it safe? Are they too safe for you? Obviously, this also goes with your risk appetite. That is also a factor. Even with investing, it is also a factor. On here, it plays a huge role, and let's click on it. Let's click on here. So when you scroll down, you actually see that there's all of this other information that is going to help you when you pick a trader. Win ratio is 32%. Personally, I wouldn't bet my money on this one, and unless if you don't really care if you're losing and you're saying that as long as I'm going to get my money back, I'm going to get it at more than 100% ROI. If that is you, then 100% go for this guy. And then we see that the profit to loss ratio, it's 3.4 to 1. It means that this guy wins 3 times and loses 1 time, right? You have to factor this in. And the trade days, you see that this is how much they trade, and you actually want to go for somebody that trades a lot, not somebody who does not trade as much, because you might bet your money on the person and they don't trade for you, you know? So that also. And then you have to come here and look at the copiers, right? Copiers. The higher the number, the better, because you actually have to go with a trader that most people are betting their money on. That kind of shows a level of trust. So this person has 1.4 number of copiers. I think it's fair. And then when you come to current positions, you get to see if they have any open positions. So they have this positioned, and already they have made an ROI of 87%, right? And then trade history, this is their trade history, right? You get to see that they have taken profits of more than 500%, 300%. So you have to consider that. But then the biggest thing is, when you come here, you need to factor in this ROI, the days in the ROI. Because if you are looking to double your money within 7 days, then you are not going to get more than 100% in return. And also, this is not guaranteed, right? This is to say, this guy in the past 30 days, he has made this much. If it's a he, of course. But then, if you want your money in 7 days to say, listen, I want to build this money to this much in 7 days, then you cannot bet your money on this guy. You have to factor in this, right? And another factor here is the badges. You see these badges, there's the, I'm colorblind. I don't know if this is gold. There's this gold one, and then the red one, and then the blue one, right? The blue one are more conservative. Low risk, they look at long term. And then the orange one, they're like medium risk, right? And then the red ones, these are high risk. And with high risk, we know that you might lose your money, but when you gain money, you actually get to gain more. But when you lose, you're going to lose for real. So you have to consider that. But for somebody who's a beginner, I would say consider the ones that have a blue badge and a gold badge. Unless if you have a high risk appetite as a beginner, then you can go for this red ones, right? So for you to start copy trading, let's go for the ones that have a high win ratio, right? Let me go to count assets. Let me try this. So this one has an 86% win ratio, and then this one has 89, 99%, 92%, right? But then you get to see that this one with 99%, they have returned almost 10% in the past 30 days. This is what you have to expect from them. And then this one, this is how much they have returned in the past 30 days. Let's try this one and see if they have current open positions. They do have, but it's losses. But given the fact that they have returned that much, you can bet your money on them. And if they have current positions open, then you're going to start, then your trade is going to kick in immediately. It's not the same as maybe when they don't have any current positions open, meaning that this trader currently is not trading. Then you're going to have to wait. If you bet your money on the trader, then you're going to have to wait until they have a trade open. But this one, they do have a trade open. Let's go back and check the others. Was I into this one? This one has a trade open. Let's go back. Let me look at this one. You see, they don't have any trades open. So we cannot put our money into this one. Let's go back And which one did I not check? Let me check this one, but this one only has 37 copiers, right? So they're probably new with only 37 copiers. So let's go with this one, right, with 89%. So they do have current positions open, even though it's losses, but you're gonna have to hold for a couple of days, right? And they win 4 times and lose only 1 time. I think it's a bit safe like that. And for you to copy trade, you're gonna come here and click on copy, right? This is you saying, okay, I'm going to copy this one. I do have a bit of funds there, and let me see if it's going to allow me to copy with 8. So it's saying that you can only start with $10, right? So in a perpetual futures account, I only have $8, so it's not going to work. I'm going to click on standard futures and I'm going to say 10, right? And then we do have this advanced setting where you can say you want to take profit or put a stop loss, right? On take profit, you're actually saying that if you put in $10, you say when it hits 15, I want to close the trade, right? And then with stop loss, you're basically saying if it gets to 5, let me take my losses, right? But then I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to copy trade. But hold on, there's this other setting that I want. This one, copy immediately, right? You want to have this on, and then I'm gonna click on copy. You see it's a success, and I'm gonna go back. So for you to see, you can have to come here and say copy trading account, right, to see how it's going for you. So I already had 2 trades, and then I'm going to click on my trades and then to see. So now I have 3 trades, right? I put this to in the morning, yes, in the morning, and now we have added this one. So with this one, I'm only on a profit of 0.01 cent, and this one I have lost 0.55 cents, right? Like with investing, you only lose money when you take your losses. I haven't taken my losses, so I'm going to leave it at that. And then let's get on to this one. I just want to show you something real quick. You see that the profit is 1.62%, and they're trading Bitcoins. Here you get to see that they're trading Bitcoin. And if I want to close this trade, I'm going to click on close and confirm, but that's not what I want to do. Let me go back and look at this one. And then if you want to close both the trades, you can say edit order and then you stop copying. So already I'm losing money. I've lost 3 cents, right? But I'm just going to leave it open like that and see, like by the end of 30 days or like in 2 weeks, I can come back to check with you guys and see how it's doing. But like I said at the beginning of the video, that yesterday I did copy trade and I have made a return of 14.7%, and we're gonna look at that. So I have this screenshot, and I opened this trade quite early in the morning, and by the time it was around 5 p.m. I had already made 14.7% through this trader. And there you can see that I copied with $15 and I made a profit of $2. You see under P&L, that is the profit or loss. And if this trader, the trade had went south, then I was going to lose money and it was going to be -2 or something there, right? But then imagine if I had put in a significant amount of money, I would have made a killing. And that's the thing, it takes money to make money. You cannot put in $5 and then you think, oh, you're going to make a lot of money. Well, unless if the trade goes to 200%, right? But then it takes more money to make money. But then you need to also remember that if you cannot afford to lose a lot of money, then you do not have to trade with a lot of money. Like I've said, that you need to put in the money that you are willing to lose, right? The very same way we talk about this in investing, it also applies. This is the money that you are okay with losing. So do not go and take your lost money thinking that this can come through for you. There is no guarantee. So do not gamble with your money. But then it went good for me, and we have seen that you can actually get good returns. So that is my return for one day. So yeah, that's actually what copy trading is. If you want to get started, you can get on the description box and get the link and grab yourself $50 to get you started. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, and I really hope that this goes well for you. But also remember to pick the right trader for you, and pick somebody that if you want to continue, you can continue with him. And you know, it's very much important in personal finance that you get to have reserves before you move into this kind of things, because there's a high risk of you losing your money. Same with investing. Just make sure that you're not gambling with your money and taking your rent money, putting into this trading, and then thinking that, okay, you're going to double the money, and don't do that, right? So just make sure that you are putting in the money that you are willing to lose. That is important, because you are always going to lose money. That's just how these things work. When you put in money, there's a high chances of you losing that money, and you need to come to terms with that. But then yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.